Weather time now for Jenny Woodward. Now, Jenny, the Anzac Day rain played havoc in today.
Yes, it did, Lexy, but fortunately the crowds were not deterred. Hello everyone, the umbrellas were out in Ashgrove under the cloudy, gloomy, showery skies. Thanks, Margaret. While Mike attended the ceremony at the water's edge at Airlie Beach. Now, Meredy captured a rainbow above the commemorations at Samford, and Kimberley took herself to Peregian Beach at sunrise to reflect on the day. Well, there's been cloud, rain and or showers and storms across most of the state today, with very heavy falls in the west. We saw over 100 millimetres out near Winton overnight, and then 50 to 80 millimetres around Longreach and Blackall today. A severe weather warning was issued this morning and continues over much of the central west, the northwest and also down towards Windora. There are also widespread flood warnings and watches in the north and west. It's been pretty cold under the gloomy skies today, only 19 degrees in Winton, 18 for Longreach, while Toowoomba stopped counting when it got to 17 degrees. Rainfall totals of 10 to 20 millimetres across the city since this time yesterday, 20 degrees in Brisbane and Redland and 17 this morning. Well, the big high in the south is feeding in a lot of moisture into the inland trough, and we've also got the upper trough which is triggering the heavy rain through the west. We have instability also along the tropical coast, and that's near this offshore trough line. Tomorrow the heaviest falls will extend into the southern interior around Quilpie and Charleville, and then we'll see some lighter falls extending east to St George, Dirranbandi. So a pretty wet day ahead, but remaining unsettled in other areas too. But conditions will start to ease on Wednesday as that upper system moves away. Interstate, and there'll be early fog in Melbourne and Canberra. Hobart will have some cloud about. There'll be light showers in Adelaide and Sydney. Let's go back to Queensland now, and we'll have showers, rain and storms across the northern tropics, up to 150 millimetres possible in Ingham and also Innisfail. Mount Isa could have a storm with 27 degrees, and we've got a strong wind warning too from the Cairns coast all the way down to the Capricornia coast. Heavy rain over the central interior, the west and the southwest. There's the risk of flash flooding, and there could be 100 to 150 millimetre totals in there. Lighter falls of about 20 to 35 millimetres in Roma and Charleville. In the southeast, still cloudy, patchy rain areas, mostly north of a line from the Gold Coast up to Toowoomba. Kingaroy could see 15 millimetres and gained a 10, but only a millimetre or two south of that line. In Brisbane, there's a high chance of patchy rain, up to 8 millimetres of rain, 24 to 25 across most of the metro area. East-southeasterly winds to 20 knots on the bay, easing after lunch, and then that cloudy, showery weather is going to stay with us right across the forecast period. But Lexy, those daytime temperatures will warm up later in the week.
Oh, that's good news. Thanks, Jen. And that's all from the news team for now on this very special day. Here's Lee Sales at 7:30. Good night.